Dr. Greg Falzon is recognized for advancing AI in agriculture. He's researched, developed, and applied artificial intelligence to create a multi-billion-dollar growth industry in precision agriculture systems. Dr. Falzon has developed a surveillance alert camera system to detect feral animals, created sensor networks to manage soil moisture, and written algorithms and software to facilitate drone-based monitoring of livestock. His work is transforming agriculture from autonomous weed-spraying robots to sensor networks to monitor and respond to crop health.
It's an absolute honour. Being recognised for my contributions to the agri-food industry is very meaningful to me. My research passions, drives, and motivations are all focused on meeting our many challenges to future food security and sustainability. This award is incredibly significant. Thank you.